What's up, YouTube? This your boy Chevy Addict with another video. Alright, y'all. I'm out here doing a sound check of my front speakers, which is I'm gonna show you. Let me put you back on. I'm gonna show you.
Yeah. Welcome to Chevy Addict. Yeah, you know the name. Engines roaring loud while we switching every lane. Chrome shining bright. Hit a horsepower car, but it's bigger than the cars. It's the family for us all, where the vibes stay real and the energy strong. Hard work every day while we riding along. Peace in the air, positivity in the zone. If you roll with the crew, then you never ride alone. Subscribers ain't viewers, now we call them the fam. Laughing on the live panel, yeah, you know who I am. Real talk.
Alright, y'all, I'm down here. Y'all see, gotta kind of read it any kind of way. I'm gonna do a sound check on these and see how these bad boys sound, y'all. So I never had them full blast, so let's check them out. Alright, y'all, so I got the volume set on 17, and y'all, let's see what this one horn do. So let's see what happens, y'all. Be right back.
I live, but it never left me. Alabama life got me singing these blues. Camouflage dreams, church through. Chevy car riding high on them 28. From the base to the back road, I just can't escape. Alabama life, yeah, stay in my vein. Salute to the sky when I'm swerving these lanes. Chevy car riding high on them 28. Still that country boy, carrying all this weight. Sunday fried chicken in a paper bowl. Granddad spitting stories on the post. He said what I feel just like weather. Coming in hot, leaving folks cold. I'm stateside fade in the kitchen. Boys put a flag on the wall. V8 tank hit dead tank field. We gon' ride till the word is fall. Alabama life got me singing these blues. Camouflage dreams, church real true. Chevy car riding high on the 28. From the base to the back road, I just can't escape. Alabama life, yeah, stay in my vein. Salute to the sky when I'm swerving these lanes. Chevy car riding high on the 28. Steady country boy, carrying all this weight. Got my orders in the glove box. Got my pain in the ashtray done. Got my past in that rear view. But it keep on riding with us. If I roll, then I roll with my scars. If I pray, then I pray in this car. 28 songs like I hear 'em while I talk to God in the dark. Alabama life got me singing these blues. Camouflage dreams, church through. Chevy car riding high on the 28. From the base to the back road, I just can't escape. Alabama life can't stay in my vein. Salute to the sky.
Thanks everyone for watching my video. Remember that it is never too loud. Peace and blessings to you all, and I will see you in the next one.